Hey everyone, working on the Grizzly right now. It's been having carburetor issues. It's been leaking like crazy. I've worked on the float and everything. It just won't stop leaking. Um, get it off. I did put some JB Weld on this side because I saw a crack. But I don't know how that could happen. How could a crack happen and not crack the motor? But maybe I dropped it when I took it out. Or maybe a rock got jammed up in there. But I don't know. It cracked on the bowl. And then wouldn't sill. So I did some grinding right here. And that didn't exactly work as well as I thought it was going to work. But it leaks less now. It's just, I don't want it to leak at all. I mean, it's a carburetor. I mean, I think it drained about half the tank just from that. And then we got the 50 right here. Had the same issue. It got a fake Makuni on it because the factory carb's junk. So we got a Kawasaki 50 and a Grizzly Yamaha 90 right here. Both factory carburetors. Less than 2 years are getting taken off the machines and upgraded to either aftermarket or maybe, yeah, aftermarket, because I ain't putting the OEM ones back on. They want, I don't know if it's right, but I saw they want $500 for a Grizzly carburetor and they want like $300 for the Kawasaki carburetor. So, yeah, I ain't paying that. So, I'm going to go do some research. I found one on eBay for this for 15 bucks. It's just a Chinese carb. I mean, I would love to get real Makunis for both of these. So I'll do some searching and see if I can find some Makunis, actual Makunis, because that said it was an actual Makuni. And when it arrived, there was no Makuni anywhere on the carburetor, so that was a ripoff. But I think I paid like 30 bucks for that one. Yeah, I know. $15 for this big guy, and yep. Then I got my little wireless remote that controls the lights in here. It's acting up now. Battery's probably dead. I've had that 2 years now, and I turn the lights on and off every day, so gotta get battery for it. But Grizzly is down. The Grizzly is down. I knew this was probably gonna come because a couple months ago I was having tons of carburetor issues, and then it stopped. But I mean, it just doesn't have the power like it used to. So we're gonna put an aftermarket one on there and see how it does, and then we're going to maybe find a sponsor to send some carbs for these machines and get them going, running right, idling right. I mean, neither one of these idles for life. I mean, they die. You have to floor it to start them. I mean, yeah. Maybe it's who put the carburetors on from factory. I don't know. But I've adjusted them. I've never had more pain in the ass than these little teeny quads. I mean, the 250's right there. I've rebuilt that carb, put it on there, ran perfect. The only reason it didn't run perfect is because I was running rusty fuel through it. That thing runs great. Same with the tractor. Did that. But yeah, I mean, let me know in the comments, guys. I mean, if you guys are an ATV tech and you worked on the Yamaha Grizzly 90 and the Kawasaki KFX 50s, what's your opinion on these factory carbs? Or if you just have the machines and you work on them yourself, let me know what your opinion is on the carbs, and if you have replaced carbs with aftermarket. And if you have, please put a link in the comments, and maybe I will put the carb you got for yours on these machines, because I'm tired of this. I mean, I've wasted almost a half a tank of gas on this thing. Runs like crap, smells like gas, ain't running right. It's gonna blow the motor up if I don't fix it, and I don't like running. And then I think we're having a problem with kill switch. It's not working right, I think. So, I mean, these are both 2022 machines, original owner machines. So, I mean, it's sad, guys. It really is. But until next time, guys. We got the 50, which somewhat runs. We got the 90, doesn't. I mean, it would run, but it would leak. I mean, it would leak all of its gas out within 10 minutes, which I'm tired of filling it up. So I'm wasting that much. I mean, it's good gas too. So, I mean, gas is pretty cheap, but still. So, yep, another day in paradise at N.R.T. Mini ATV quad carburetor issues. Until next time, guys. Please subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you would do in this situation. And leave a like for me. Show your support. So, yeah, because after dealing with this machine for today, I'm pretty well done. Yeah, I mean, I can't do anything, really anything else. I mean, I guarantee these carburetors are the same ones that are on the Chinese ATVs. I mean, this doesn't even look JB Weld I done, but I mean, these don't even look. Sunworld? Is that even a good brand? I'm gonna look it up, see if it's a good brand or not. I've never heard of that brand. I've heard of Mikuni and Kian, which either one of them brands I'd rather have on these machines, but yeah, I gotta put jump pack on because it won't start sometimes after you floor it. So, yeah. But, alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Thanks.